Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install language in Joomla. So first you need to do is log into administrator panel of your website with Joomla. After that you need to go to system settings, and here you can find available options which you can use on your website. Of course, if you want to install a new language, you will find it on the install settings. So we need to open languages here, and then you need to select here one from available languages. I recommend you to select version of the language, which color is green. For example, we have here Estonian. If you want to install it, you need to click install button, and after a moment it should be successfully installed on your website. How you see, installation of the language pack was successful. So now we can go back to system settings. We can go to languages on manage settings. And here, if you want to change default language, you need to click on this one option, set default on the right side of the Estonian. So I click on it, and after that language should be successfully changed. So how you see it really works. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if you have a problem.